Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on a Honda Passport. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades. Typically, the driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger's side is 24 inches. Place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to prevent damage if the arm snaps back. Now, let's get started with the removal process. To remove the old blades, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, locate the small release tab on the wiper blade connector, usually where it meets the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook. Repeat this for both front wipers. Now, let's install your new wiper blades. Take a new blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Avoid letting them drop suddenly. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wipers. Turn on your Honda Passport, activate the windshield washer fluid and run the wipers. Check for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire windshield. If you notice any issues, recheck the installation. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Regular cleaning of your blades can also extend their lifespan, keeping your visibility clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.